I like to make sure that my fractions are completely simplified before I start adding them. And in this case, 2 over 4, 4 can really be thought of as 2 times 2. So 2 over 4 simplifies into 1/2. But now 1 over 7 does not. When you are adding fractions, you have to have a common denominator. So something that both 2 and 7 go into would be 14. Well, in order to make 1/2 have a denominator of 14, you could multiply it by 7. But if you do it to the bottom, you must do it to the top. So we end up with 7 times 1, which is 7, okay? And in order to make 1/7 have a denominator of 14, you would need to multiply it by 2. So multiplying it by 2 over 2, essentially multiplying it by 1, that would give you just in the numerator 2. And really in these denominators, I didn't multiply 7 and 2 together because I had already done that for my common denominator. I was just making what I did in that denominator right by doing the same thing in that numerator. So this comes out to give us 9 over 14, which doesn't simplify. Because if we were to think of that in prime numbers, 9 is 3 times 3, and 14 is 2 times 7. Nothing cancels out. So 9 over 14 is your final answer.